In this video, I will guide you on how to link national bank account to PayPal. First, launch open PayPal app or open up any web browser and head over to paypal.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on these three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Here you will find a couple of options. Select Wallet. Now, you want to choose Link a Card option. Now, you will have to enter the details of your National Bank of Canada debit or credit card. So go ahead and enter the card number over here. Once you have entered it, you want to select the card network. So select whether it is a Visa, Mastercard, American Express, Discover, or Union Pay. Then enter the expiry date. Then enter the CVV code. Now you also want to enter the billing address, then tap on the link card option. Your bank account or card will be linked to PayPal. In this way, you can easily link national bank account to PayPal. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.